What are the biggest ones in the backyard?
The mountains?
Yeah.
Those are probably like parts of Hanover going into the back end of Chav and Froome and all of that.
Alrighty.
These are actually soursop. These are how they are when they're young.
Okay, so when you break that open, what's it like?
Just white in there with some small seeds.
Sweet?
Yeah, it's
Oh, sour stuff.
Yeah.
Sweet and sour?
yes.
Having a good day. Feeling good stuff. Coming out of it.
To interview this guy. He's doing everything all the way. Yeah, Fitzroy! Greetings, man. Respect, man. Legend. Come on, let's go meet the legend, man. Legend, you want up here now.
Yeah.
You're a great man,
Yeah.
And watch this now.
Wow.
Your art, and what your contribution to the world,
Yeah.
Only the heavens know, So here
Yes,
what
sir,
I and I
yeah.
are telling
Yes,
right
sir.
now.
Yeah.
Today, this is my friend David Weinberg from the US.
Okay, yes, sir. Yes,
Boy,
sir.
feel
Awesome.
free and give him a little interview because he love art. and
Yes.
Trust me, we have
And
to
you have a
showcase it.
lady with her.
And
thing
yes,
going
and
on.
you're on camera and stuff. After the world, we have pushed the thing.
Yeah?
Talk to him, man.
No, I just realized you just go from rock to rock.
Rock to rock.
Okay,
Yes,
so like, how do you get your inspiration? Do you look at a rock and
Yes, and sometimes we take photograph of animal and so on and work with that. We take a lot of photograph and stuff.
okay,
And
so
work off of personal features of people and then we
okay, so if you got like a photograph that you like, you walk around and look at a rock that might.
Are the rock that fit the profile
Right.
of that photograph? We go on it.
Okay.
You know.
Do you have something? I know you're doing that one.
Yeah.
Do you have? What's your next one? Is it all lined up in your head?
Well, we have this bison here. We have a bison calf.
Okay.
We have the calf of the bison to make here so.
Oh.
Because this is a historic animal
Yeah.
and deserve to be preserved.
Especially in the States.
Yes,
Yeah.
deserve to be preserved.
For sure.
Because they are wonderful animals.
Okay, so that is going to be
This is gonna be the calf.
the calf. Oh,
So
that's so cool.
the bull bison is watching the calf.
Right,
so
that's his mom.